So it's been a long while since I actually filmed something because work has been really crazy this past quarter. A lot of my team members left and we didn't hire new people into the team. But nonetheless, today is a very exciting day. So I wanted to film this. So yesterday we got a call from the lawyer firm, and the lawyer firm basically told us that HDB has approved our housing application, and now we are ready to go down to sign the papers like ASAP. And of course, signing the papers comes with paying a large chunk of money. So in January we already paid off 5%, and today we are going to be paying off 25% of the house, which means that we are left with 70% to pay off in our installments. So that's a lot of money, and that's why it's a freaking milestone today. So we are going to vlog today, okay? If you guys would like to know how our process was like getting the house, you guys can go and check out the video here. Guys, so this weekend is actually a long ass weekend, so I decided to go for some alone time with myself only, to go and hang out with myself and to go and do some stuff myself. So I actually signed up for a workshop to make some essential oils and something else, like I think a mist or something. So I always wanted to go for a workshop like that because I wanted to see if it makes sense for me to add to my business. So today we're gonna give that a shot.